Hey Don, let me see if I can do this for you here. A little sill glide, so this way we can get the top cover thing kind of out of the way. Make sure it's on properly, obviously. I've cut this off with my Dremel cutoff wheel, blew it out. AN6 aluminum wrench to kind of get it lubed, so I know this thing will go kind of down. Of course, we always cut our fingers on this. I'm going to cut off a little bit of black sheathing, so I can find my blade here. So I'm going to cut a little bit off the black sheathing. I'm going to use the barrel as a guide, and then cut it vertically. And if I've cut it right, it'll come off like that. Okay, so next thing is to get in there with your little screwdriver to separate the outer from the PTFE liner, so you could fit the ferrule in there. There's you get a little space going. Take your ferrule, obviously flat end out, which I'm sure you know already. And we get that in there. I'm going to press it down on the steel table, and you can see it goes all the way down pretty much right away. We're going to make sure it's squared up, and then we're going to take a little bit more lube. I like Sill Glide because it's just the slipperiest stuff I know. And we're going to push this in like that. And we're going to get her going. Now this is the part that's always a little difficult, admittedly, but if you pull the collar down on the hose, just like that, you could feel that it starts to catch. Once it starts to catch, now you could start your compressing. I'm going to put a wrench in here. I'm going to put my aluminum wrench. I only have one of these, so I'm going to tape up the other side so I don't scratch it on you. Give me a second to find my green tape. Okay, back with my Body Shop green tape, 3M. We use that a lot here. We've got an 11/16 wrench. And we'll just hold that because that's the side I don't want to scratch. And without putting it in the vise, we can use the aluminum wrench. We can hang on to it without any screw-ups. Okay. Let me get the other side on, and I'll tighten this down a little bit more, and we'll be all done.